Hello, world travelers! Welcome back to Footprints Across Lands, your go-to destination for luxury travel, thrilling adventures, and unforgettable experiences. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the best theme parks for families, places where kids, parents, and even grandparents can all have an amazing time together. Choosing the perfect theme park for your family isn't just about thrill rides. It's about finding a park that offers fun for all ages, from gentle attractions for toddlers to exciting adventures for older kids, and plenty of entertainment for adults too. So, if you're planning a family vacation and want to make sure everyone has a magical time, this is the ultimate guide to the best family-friendly theme parks in the world. The best theme parks for families, fun for all ages. Family vacations should be filled with laughter, excitement, and unforgettable memories, and theme parks are the perfect place to make that happen. But not all theme parks are designed with families in mind. That's why we've created this list of the best theme parks that cater to every member of the family, from toddlers to teens and even adults who are young at heart. Let's dive in. 1. Walt Disney World, Florida, USA. The ultimate family theme park. When it comes to family-friendly theme parks, nothing beats Walt Disney World. Why? It's perfect for families. For theme parks in one, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom. Something for all ages. From gentle rides for toddlers to thrilling roller coasters for teens, unforgettable character experiences. Meet Mickey, Elsa, Buzz Lightyear, and more. Best attractions for families. It's a small world. Magic Kingdom. A gentle boat ride, perfect for young kids. Avatar, Flight of Passage, Animal Kingdom. A breathtaking ride that parents and teens will love. Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance, Hollywood Studios. An immersive adventure for the whole family. Extra perks for parents. Rider Switch. Allows parents to take turns on thrill rides without waiting twice. Family-friendly dining. From quick bites to character meals with Disney princesses. Fireworks and night shows. A magical way to end the day for all ages. Final verdict. If you're looking for a theme park that offers everything in one place, Walt Disney World is the gold standard for family vacations. 2. Disneyland, California, USA, the happiest place on earth. If Florida's Walt Disney World feels overwhelming, Disneyland, California offers a smaller, more intimate Disney experience that's still packed with magic and fun for families. Why? It's perfect for families. 2 theme parks, Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure. Easier to navigate than Disney World, making it great for younger kids. Classic Disney nostalgia with rides that parents and grandparents will love too. Best attractions for families. Dumbo, the Flying Elephant, Disneyland Park, a must-ride for little ones. Radiator Springs, Racers, California Adventure, a fun and thrilling ride based on cars. Pirates of the Caribbean, Disneyland Park, a slow-moving adventure with stunning visuals. Final verdict. For families looking for a magical Disney experience with less walking and planning, Disneyland is a fantastic choice. 3. Legoland, multiple locations. Best for young kids and Lego fans. For families with kids aged 2 to 12, Legoland is a perfect theme park choice. Why? It's perfect for families. Hands-on attractions, kids can build, explore, and interact with Lego-themed rides, less intense rides. Perfect for families with young children who aren't ready for big roller coasters. Water parks included. Many Legoland locations have built-in water parks for extra fun. Best attractions for families. Driving School, Legoland, Florida. Kids get to drive their own Lego cars. Lego Factory Adventure, Legoland, New York. A fun ride that turns you into a Lego mini. The Dragon, multiple locations. A family-friendly roller coaster that's great for first-time riders. Final verdict. If your kids love Lego, adventure, and creativity, Legoland is a must-visit family theme park. For Universal Studios, Florida and California, the best park for movie lovers. If your family loves movies and adventure, Universal Studios is a great alternative to Disney. Why? It's perfect for families. Best for families with older kids and teens who love action-packed rides. Themed lands like the Wizarding World of Harry Potter create immersive experiences. More thrill rides than Disney, but still plenty of fun for younger kids. Best attractions for families. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Explore Hogwarts, drink butterbeer, and ride the Hogwarts Express. Despicable Me Minion Mayhem, a hilarious motion simulator ride for kids. The Simpsons Ride, a wacky, family-friendly 3D adventure. Final verdict. For movie lovers and families with older kids, Universal Studios offers action-packed excitement that's hard to beat. 5. Puy du Fou, France, the best theme park for history lovers. If your family wants something completely unique, Puy du Fou in France is unlike any other theme park in the world. Why? It's perfect for families. No roller coasters, just epic live shows. Historical reenactments with jaw-dropping special effects. Immersive storytelling that takes you back to different time periods. Best attractions for families. Le Cygne du Triomphe, a live gladiator battle in a real Roman-style Colosseum. Les Vikings, a thrilling Viking attack on a medieval village. La Cinecine, the world's biggest nighttime show with 2,500 actors. Final verdict. For families who love history, storytelling, and live entertainment, Puy du Fou is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. 6. Europa Park, Germany, the best theme park in Europe for families. If you're traveling in Europe, Europa Park is a fantastic choice for families looking for a mix of thrills, cultural experiences, and fun rides. Why it's perfect for families? Over 100 attractions with areas themed after different European countries, great mix of gentle rides, family-friendly coasters, and extreme thrill rides. One of the most beautiful theme parks in the world. Best attractions for families: Voletarium, a breathtaking flying simulator ride; Arthur, a magical family-friendly dark ride through an enchanted world; Silver Star, a high-speed coaster for teens and parents. Final verdict. For families looking for an amazing European theme park with something for everyone, Europa Park is a fantastic option. Which theme park is best for your family? Each of these theme parks offers a unique experience. Whether you're looking for Disney magic, movie thrills, historical adventures, or creative fun, which theme park is at the top of your family's bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive travel content from Footprints Across Lands. See you on the next adventure.